When you think about Croatia, you probably picture crystal clear Adriatic water, beautiful beaches, pine trees, fresh seafood, and unforgettable trips to the islands. And you are absolutely right. You will get all of that here. But if you come to Croatia with only a beach towel, you might be missing one of the most fascinating parts of the Adriatic. The world hidden just beneath the surface. You don't need scuba equipment or years of diving experience. Underwater world can be explored by regular swimmers, first-time snorkelers, and even families with children. One of the most unforgettable snorkeling experiences you can have is discovering a real shipwreck beneath the surface. Today, we're visiting 3 of the most popular ones in Croatia. The first one, Shipwrecks Shipwreck, is a spectacular island adventure near Dugi Otok. The other one, a World War II military vessel, is hidden inside one of the most beautiful bays on the mainland coast. And the final one, Shipwreck of Kontesa, is located on a beautiful Croatian island. But unfortunately, you can no longer experience it today. Stay until the end to find out what happened. Our first stop takes us to Dugi Otok, one of the most beautiful islands in Croatia. But unlike many island attractions, the wreck itself can only really be experienced by boat. That is why this is one of the best full-day trips you can do if you are staying in Zadar or anywhere nearby. Dugi Otok is already a spectacular destination by itself, but the real surprise is waiting below the surface. The incredible Shipwrecks Shipwreck. The moment you put your face underwater, you discover the remains of a real ship resting in the clear Adriatic. The shallow water and excellent visibility make it perfect for snorkeling. You can float above the wreck, watch fish moving through the structure, and see how nature has slowly transformed the ship into an artificial reef. Many famous Croatian wrecks are only accessible to experienced divers. Shipwrecks is different. It allows almost anyone, including families and beginners, to experience the magic of exploring a shipwreck. Our second stop takes us to one of the most beautiful hidden bays in Croatia, Zavratnica. And this time, you do not need a boat. You can reach this place by car. Above the bay, a short walking path takes you down toward the water. And even before you start snorkeling, you will understand why this place is special. Zavratnica looks almost like a miniature Mediterranean fjord. Steep, rocky cliffs surround the narrow turquoise bay, creating a peaceful atmosphere that feels completely different from Croatia's crowded beaches. But beneath this beautiful scenery lies something unexpected. The Siebel Ferry, a World War II military vessel that has been resting in the bay for decades. You can swim above the remains, see the structure below the surface, and watch marine life moving around a piece of history. But the best thing about Zavratnica is that the shipwreck is only part of the experience. Even without snorkeling, this bay is absolutely worth visiting. The dramatic landscape, clear water, walking trail, and peaceful atmosphere make it one of the most unique coastal locations in Croatia. Our final stop takes us to the beautiful island of Šolta. Before talking about the shipwreck, it is important to understand why this island itself is worth visiting. Located just a short ferry ride from Split, Šolta offers a completely different atmosphere from some of Croatia's busier destinations. Here, you can explore traditional Dalmatian villages, swim in peaceful hidden bays, walk along quiet coastlines, and enjoy the slower rhythm of island life. One of the most famous places on Šolta is Nečujam Bay. And hidden beneath its calm, crystal-clear water was one of Croatia's most recognizable snorkeling attractions, the Kontesa Shipwreck. For years, this was one of the easiest and most enjoyable wrecks to explore in Croatia. The reason was simple. It was incredibly shallow. You didn't need diving equipment. You didn't need experience. Families could swim above it. Children could see it from the surface. And anyone with a mask and snorkel could experience a real shipwreck. If you are planning to visit Nečujam Bay today and search for the famous wreck, you wouldn't find it. After decades underwater, Kontesa was removed in 2025 due to its deteriorating condition, environmental and safety concerns. The shipwreck that welcomed thousands of snorkelers every year is now gone. Luckily, we filmed it before it disappeared. So, what you are seeing here is more than just another travel destination. It is a glimpse into a piece of Croatia's underwater history that no longer exists. And that is exactly why exploring places like these is so special. Because some of the best travel memories come from moments that cannot be repeated. Once they are gone, they become stories we can only share.
Ready to explore the entire Croatia? Subscribe and download our travel app today.